Welcome to AdvisoryCloud Workshops. In this short video, I want to talk a little about three things. First, we're going to cover what workshops are. Next, we'll talk about how they benefit you. And third, we'll talk about some next steps to take. What are AdvisoryCloud Workshops? Workshops are 30-minute training sessions providing insight into our advisor marketing tools that will help you monetize your knowledge and build out your brand as an advisor. We have two types of workshops. First, we have new member workshops that we hold every month, and we encourage all new members to attend these shortly after joining AdvisoryCloud. Second, we have monthly workshops on key features or topics that include product walkthroughs, built to help you get the most out of your membership. And most importantly, our member success team is available during and after each workshop to answer questions and give you one-on-one support as needed. And lastly, how will these workshops help you? These workshops have been designed to be an easy way for you to manage your membership, allowing you to pick your head up for 30 minutes a month to move your advisory portfolio forward. In these workshops, you'll learn new ways to use and leverage your AdvisoryCloud profile, how to share your profile with your network, and you'll learn tips on how to turn everyday business interactions into advisory work. We'll also be sharing best practices in our monthly workshops. These will include techniques and strategies other members are using and having success with on AdvisoryCloud. So, what should you do next? If you're a new member who's signed up in the last 30 days or have been here a little longer but are looking for a refresher, register for our new member workshop. And if you've already attended a new member workshop, stay tuned and be sure to register for our monthly AdvisoryCloud workshops to continue learning about new features and strategies to help you get the most out of your advisor profile. Thanks for watching.